Hi there, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Silver fanatic.
Okay, guys. All right.
You need to do this.
Things that you need to do, guys, before your financial freedom gets taken away. It dies, guys. Yeah, the things that you need to do before it dies, because it's really coming to that point. It's coming to an end where it will die for real. No jokes, nothing.
Tables are turning.
Really, tables are turning. You've seen the graphs, you've seen the Bitcoin, what's happening. So it shows that things are starting to take its shape. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Things that can take away your freedom, guys.
Yeah. It's great reset.
It's the great reset. Nothing else. It's a great reset, and it's baby CBDC. CBDC and great reset, guys. Those are the things that can
major things.
Yes, that can kill. That can you destroy your financial freedoms, guys. Okay.
There's pros and cons about it.
Hey, yeah. True. Pros and cons. It's just that unfortunately we don't have the pros.
The pros.
We only have the cons, guys. That's the only thing that we have. We are sorry about that. The reason for that cons, it's something we don't understand. So if we don't understand something, you just have the cons only. Yes, guys.
Yeah, they were planning to have like sort of a digital ID.
Yeah, maybe you have it already. You don't have it. Guys, ask yourselves. Maybe you already have the digital ID.
Yeah, because it can be a form of a card, or it can be inside in your board. Yeah,
it can be inside your board. So that's why I'm saying, ask yourself, guys, if you have a digital ID already, that to be used.
It's to access planes, book, buy food, and everything. You just that's ID. You show it without carrying a card,
carrying cash,
and the cash.
It can give you access to a whole lot of things, and also not only give you access to booking a plane, buying food, accessing the internet, but also track you. Track an individual. That ID card will be used to track you as well.
What are you doing?
What are you up to? What are you doing? So that's why we say, ask yourself, do you have that ID already? Do you have it in place? I don't know. Just leave it on a comment below whether you think you already have that idea or not. The digital ID.
That implementation has already been done. Because they're planning to do this by the 2030.
2030, it should be accomplished by 2030. So the reason for this digital ID, guys, it's total surveillance over everyone. Just a microscope over you, just to watch each and every move.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Because there will be nothing that you will do without the government knowing about it. Not even a single thing. The idea will just tell them what are you up to. What you doing.
They recommend this radio frequency ID.
The identification is the RFID.
To check. It's a checking device.
I think the guys knows this RFID. That's the one that they say that thing is it's awesome. They will implement something similar to it to track us. They will implement something similar to that to track us, guys. So and another thing, guys, that about this great reset.
They'll say cash is dead.
Exactly. They would say cash is dead.
It's an easy way to
cash is dirty. That would be an easy way just to manipulate you to think that CBDC is the only way. They would say it causes diseases. It's gonna bring the other sicknesses and so forth. So it is dirty.
So
it's time to move on to CBDC or XRP. We will say XRP, but maybe many will disagree. But guys, XRP will replace Swift. Will replace Swift.
Working with the banks.
Yes, Ripple is under XRP. XRP is under Ripple. Ripple already has a system in place. That is ready. That they've already developed. That is ready to work with the CBDC. So that's why we always talk about XRP, because XRP and Ripple, it's one and the same thing. They will say it's dirty, so let's move away with it. So that CBDC, and another thing, it will be controlled by your government. Your government will be your bank. It will normally be the normal bank that you are aware of, that you know. No, that will be a middleman. They will say cut off the middleman. We want to go straight and just go straight and monitor. Nobody we must start from. No, we're not starting from anyone. We go straight to the individual.
They will know that the civilian, they will implement it first, and then they will know what you're doing with the money, what you're supposed to buy, what you're supposed to eat, how you're supposed to dress.
Yes, which food to buy. Exactly. They will control your money. It will be your money just by the name stipulated. That's it, your money. But they will be able to freeze it easily with CBDC.
The preparation can help you in this, to prepare. Buy food, buy silver,
it will
buy
help
crypto, buy all those preparations that we were talking about in the past videos.
Yes, in our past video.
Will come in and work in this situation.
They will really help you when it comes to that point where they just freeze your account without you knowing. They can even purchase you things that they see it's a norm. These are the things that you always purchase during the month. So they can just do it without your acknowledgement. You can just find a note. These are your things. And you say, I didn't buy these things. But they say, no, we've already, because the algorithm told us that these are the things that you always use. So you always purchased.
So it won't be easy to implement this. You know why? Because we are stubborn nation. So they will start by now.
Stubborn species.
They will start by now and introduce those free things.
So if they knew we are not a stubborn species, they have implemented this long ago. Because they know we are a stubborn species. They need to find ways to implement these things without your knowing about it. You will find yourself like a rug gets pulled under your feet. And you will find yourself using CBDC, not knowing, because they will just pull a rug under your feet.
That's true.
And there's another system as well. This one, I love it. It's very interesting.
Because it's already been implemented.
Because another country already uses it.
So
the scoring system.
I think by half of 2030, all these will be implemented.
All of them. All of them. That's the goal.
2030 will be like monitoring.
We're just monitoring.
Yes,
we've implemented everything.
Or increasing the technology. But everything will be in place.
It will be done.
2030 is too far for these things.
Because
most of the countries have implemented it, and some are adapting it now.
That's one country, guys, that have already implemented the scoring system is China. Guys. China have already using this system. They have cameras, those surveillance cameras. They have cameras all over the town, monitoring people.
What are they doing?
What are they doing?
What they buying?
What are they buying? How they behaving? Are they good citizens? What are they saying about their country? So this system will score you and give you a score. So if you have a lower score, they can freeze.
Take away your passports.
Access to banks, except all things that you need, guys.
Best schools, best thing, all the best things.
All the things that they know that you need to survive. So that's why we say prepping.
Prepping
will help you when the thing gets implemented. And there's another country. Oh, before I go to the country, there was a member of World Economic Forum.
Yeah.
There was a member that
who liked this scoring.
The scoring system. He really condoled it and said it's a very, very awesome, exciting system. He really loved it. So yeah. So when it's already getting compliments, you need to really open your eyes, guys.
Yeah. And I heard that Italy also
is on the cards.
Anna, comment
from Cecile. Anna, we are really sad when we heard that.
We were thinking about you.
We really thinking about Anna when we heard that Cecile, Italy is on the card for that scoring system. I don't know if she already knows about it. Anna, if you know about it, please leave it on the comment below.
No.
That's a very nice channel, Anna T.
Or press thumbs up if you're not allowed to comment.
If you are not allowed to comment,
thumbs up.
Just thumbs up.
Yeah.
And just thumbs up and say yes. Yes. Then we'll know that the scoring is already implemented
things
in
are
Italy.
getting hard now.
Yeah, things are really getting
really
hard.
Talking about it, things are getting hard.
Yeah, and let me take this coin out so I can show it properly. Things are really getting hard, guys. Things are really getting hard.
So with your behavior, bad behavior and a good behavior.
Yeah, if you behave badly, you got another thing coming. You've got another thing coming. You all the things will be frozen.
How you will survive.
So judging from this great research and its baby CBDC, the aim is just a full control over the people. Full control.
Yes, a full one.
Yes, just full control. This, by the way, it's a Kruger 2017.
Hey, our special
celebrating 50th, guys. This is the one, and this is a certificate of authenticity. This is the certificate. You can just pause and read. Yeah, that's the one. And I'm sure people are wondering about this one. Let me take it out as well. I need to show. This one just wants to come off the capsule.
Our special one.
This is our special coin. Okay, this one comes off the capsule, guys. I'll just take it out because the capsule just remains there. It's been through
a lot.
Hey, all sorts of weather conditions. As
our
you can
first
see,
coin,
guys, this is where it all started.
Yes.
This was our first coin, not knowing what to do, not knowing anything. Yeah, we thought
heard about this thing and then we say, let's test it.
Yeah, and do research, and we did our research.
And then we see if you can able to buy the silver, and then
we wanted to really find out because we are under the assumptions that silver is very expensive. Yeah, it's for the wealth. So once we did our research, we said, no, let's see if there are places that sell it this side. We went online, we found a place, we bought it. It's a real silver.
It's got like a R1, our R1 sign. It's like you're buying a R1 with the amount of silver.
That's
and
why
then
we
we're
said,
like, no, we can't buy a R1.
A R1 with such amount. So that's what many people, you find them not going into staking. It's because of that value, that R1 value. They say, I'm buying a R1. For
the price of this,
for 500,
it's
500, for thousands, for $20-30. No, $1. No, so that's why you find people not going into staking. They don't know that
it's just the face value.
It's just the face value, not that it means when you go to a shop, this will be worth $1.
Yeah,
that's why you find, because we were also a victim of that. We will not lie, we were also victims of that. So that's where it started on that one day.
Yeah, there is a R1 in the book.
Oh, that's the R1.
So it's like you're buying that with such amount.
This is the R1 that we use on the daily on the shops.
Yeah.
So people are thinking, we're buying this R1.
500.
for $30, $25
yeah,
for 500 rands.
Yeah.
No, man. No, it can be.
Yeah.
It can be. So yeah, that's why you find that people are not into staking. It's just because of that
knowledge.
Yeah, they are misinformed. So we wish one day we can inform them.
Yeah,
that's not the case.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but today, guys, we just wanted just to heads up.
Video and
just tell us on the comment below if you already knew about all these things. Yeah, just mention it on the comment below.
How you thinking of preparing yourself for this, because it's already here and. Yeah, it's already here.
It's already.
So we're just waiting for it to die. You can say it's like cancer. It's already working amongst us.
Yeah, it's already amongst us, guys. Okay. So, all right. I think we close today's video today.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Comments below. Let's engage on this topic. Tell us how you found it. Did you already knew about all these things? Yeah. Especially the scoring, guys, because it's really gonna affect a lot of people. It's really going to
we are a stubborn nation or stubborn species, or we won't be like accepting to be controlled like that.
Yeah, we will not.
And then
just,
our score will go.
Yeah, then our scores will go down. But when you prep, as we've been preaching on the channel, you'll find that useful one day. Okay, when that comes into play. Into
silver,
your city or
gold,
your country near you.
Precious metals, food, security.
Exactly.
Crypto.
All those things, guys, they will help you.
And many more that we don't know. Maybe you know about it. So just state it on the comment.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for the subscriber and your comments. We really appreciate.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
All right, thanks.
Bye.